Here's an exclusive Spotlight PA investigative report.
On November 4th, voters across Pennsylvania will answer a simple question. Should 3 sitting justices keep their jobs? This is called a retention election. It's meant to keep politics out of our courtrooms.
Some ads inflame.
Now Pennsylvania's radical judges want 10 more years of unchecked power.
Others inspire.
We must defend our democracy.
All aim to shape how we vote. And while the ads are political,
the issue of partisanship just does not enter into the equation.
The justices on the ballot insist their work is anything but.
The Constitution required us to run as a partisan, but the moment we were elected, when we put that black robe on, we hung up that partisan title.
Unlike folks in the executive and legislative branches, we don't have agendas or policies that we're trying to impose once we're elected.
Justices David Wecht, Kevin Dougherty, and Christine Donahue are 3 of the 7 members of Pennsylvania's highest court. Each is seeking another 10-year term.
When you look at the Pennsylvania Supreme Court, you'll never hear us say it's how many Democrats, how many Republicans. We say that we're 7.
The court's decisions touch nearly every part of Pennsylvania life, from how ballots are counted to how schools are funded to which gun laws stand. Power like that brings money and scrutiny.
Judges are supposed to be independent.
Debbie Gross leads the nonpartisan group Pennsylvanians for Modern Courts. She believes judges should run without political labels.
We shouldn't feel that the judges have a predetermined or preconceived obligations to anyone other than the rule of law, the Constitution, the laws, right? And they should have that independence.
But as special interests pour in money, independence is harder to prove and easier to question.
You know, courts are there to serve as referees in our system. How far that refereeing can take them is something that is constantly debated between Democrats and Republicans, from folks who are just trying to make a good legal argument to folks who want an outcome.
In a polarized political moment, the pressure is palpable.
I sort of try to temper my reaction to the political attacks with a belief that most people who hear those political attacks understand that what it actually is being angry that they didn't get what they wanted.
Candidly, it's almost embarrassing that we as sitting justices are resorted to come here and play politics.
It's just that the people of Pennsylvania decided that the way their judges are going to be selected is in these partisan elections. That's just what the people of Pennsylvania have decided. But once we take the oath of office, that's past history.